Once upon a time, in a small village by a serene river, there lived a young man named Akio. Akio was known for his gentle nature and his desire to make a positive impact on the world. He was always seeking wisdom and ways to improve himself. One day, he decided to embark on a journey to a distant town where a wise Zen master lived, hoping to learn valuable lessons that could transform his life. Akio packed his belongings and set off on a long and arduous journey. Along the way, he encountered various challenges and obstacles, but his determination never wavered. Finally, after weeks of travel, he reached the humble dwelling of the Zen master. The Zen master, named Hiroshi, welcomed Akio warmly and invited him to stay. Hiroshi was a man of few words, but his eyes sparkled with wisdom and kindness. Akio expressed his desire to learn powerful habits that could improve his value and transform his life. Hiroshi nodded and said, "Patience, my young friend. Great transformations require time and dedication. I will share with you 5 powerful habits that can bring profound change if practiced diligently." 1. Cultivating gratitude. Hiroshi explained that cultivating gratitude was the first step towards transformation. He advised Akio to wake up every morning and express gratitude for the blessings in his life. Gratitude, he said, would open the doors to abundance and contentment. Akio embraced this habit and began each day by reflecting on the simple joys in his life: the warm rays of the sun, the soothing sound of the river, and the laughter of children playing. He realized that even in the midst of challenges, there were always reasons to be grateful. 2. Embracing mindfulness. The second habit Hiroshi shared was the practice of mindfulness. He encouraged Akio to be fully present in each moment, to observe his thoughts and emotions without judgment. By developing this habit, Akio could cultivate clarity and peace within himself. Akio followed Hiroshi's advice and started incorporating mindfulness into his daily routine. He savored each bite of his meals, listened attentively to the conversations around him, and immersed himself fully in his activities. With time, he noticed that his mind became calmer and he was able to make wiser decisions. 3. Practicing compassion. Hiroshi stressed the importance of compassion as the third habit. He explained that by cultivating empathy and kindness towards others, Akio would not only improve his own value, but also positively impact the lives of those around him. Akio embraced this habit by volunteering at the local community center, where he helped elderly people with their daily tasks. He listened to their stories, offered a helping hand, and showered them with love and care. Through acts of compassion, Akio discovered the immense joy that comes from selflessly serving others. 4. Nurturing inner strength. Hiroshi revealed that the fourth habit was nurturing inner strength. He encouraged Akio to develop resilience in the face of adversity, to overcome his fears, and to believe in his own abilities. Inner strength, Hiroshi explained, would empower Akio to navigate life's challenges with grace and determination. Akio took this advice to heart and began pushing his boundaries. He faced his fears head-on, pursued new opportunities, and persisted through failures. As he cultivated his inner strength, he found himself growing more confident and resilient. 5. Embracing simplicity. Finally, Hiroshi shared the fifth habit: embracing simplicity. He urged Akio to let go of materialistic desires and focus on the beauty of simplicity. By living with less, Akio would discover a profound sense of freedom and contentment. Inspired by Hiroshi's wisdom, Akio embarked on a journey of decluttering his life. He gave away unnecessary possessions, simplified his daily routines, and embraced a minimalist lifestyle. As he let go of the excess, he found that his mind became clearer and his heart lighter. Years passed, and Akio continued to practice these 5 powerful habits imparted by Hiroshi. Through consistent effort, he experienced a profound transformation in his life. He radiated gratitude, exuded mindfulness, embraced compassion, nurtured inner strength, and found joy in simplicity. Okio's newfound wisdom and radiant presence began to inspire others in the village, creating a ripple effect of positive change. One day, Hiroshi called Okio to his side and said, "My dear disciple, you have truly internalized these powerful habits. Your journey has come full circle, and it is time for you to share your wisdom with others." Okio nodded, acknowledging the profound impact the habits had on his life. Okio returned to his village as a transformed soul, ready to guide others on their own paths of growth. He shared the 5 powerful habits with anyone willing to listen, reminding them that true transformation begins within. With each person he helped, the village blossomed into a community of mindful, compassionate, and grateful individuals. And so, the story of Okio's transformation spread far and wide, touching the hearts of countless people who sought a better life. The wisdom of the 5 powerful habits continued to inspire generations, reminding them that by cultivating gratitude, embracing mindfulness, practicing compassion, nurturing inner strength, and embracing simplicity, they too could improve their value and transform their lives. In the end, it wasn't the grandeur of mountains or luxurious possessions that defined the value of a person. It was the habits and qualities they cultivated within themselves, the habits that allowed them to find peace, joy, and purpose amidst the ebb and flow of life. From this story, we have learned several important lessons. Number 1. The power of habits. The story emphasizes the significance of cultivating powerful habits in our lives. By consciously practicing habits such as gratitude, mindfulness, compassion, inner strength, and simplicity, we can bring about positive transformations and enhance our overall well-being. Number 2. Transformation starts within. The story highlights the idea that true transformation begins with self-reflection and personal growth. By focusing on improving ourselves, we can positively impact the world around us and inspire others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. Number 3. Gratitude leads to abundance. The habit of cultivating gratitude reminds us to appreciate the blessings in our lives, no matter how small they may seem. By acknowledging and being grateful for what we have, we open ourselves up to abundance and contentment. Number 4. Mindfulness brings clarity. The practice of mindfulness allows us to be fully present in each moment, leading to greater clarity and inner peace. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can make wiser decisions and experience a deeper sense of calm. Number 5. Compassion connects us. The habit of practicing compassion teaches us the importance of empathy and kindness towards others. By extending a helping hand and serving others selflessly, we not only improve our own value, but also create a positive impact on the lives of those around us. Ultimately, this story teaches us that by adopting these powerful habits, we can improve our own value and transform our lives, as well as inspire and positively influence others. The key lies in consistent practice, self-reflection, and a genuine desire for personal growth and positive change.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.